Good morning, sir. My name is John Maher, Santucci in this case, and I'm an officer authorized to administer oaths under the Uniform Code of Military Justice and the Federal Rules of Evidence. Would you please raise your right hand and repeat after me?
I'm ready.
Okay. Do you, sir, swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give in the matter now in hearing will be the truth, so help you? The truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do so swear.
Outstanding. What's your name, sir?
Elbert Guillory.
Outstanding. That should do it, sir.
Honorable members of the Parole and Clemency Board, today I rise on behalf of Anthony Santucci. More importantly, as a United States Navy veteran and as a practicing lawyer for 50 years, I rise on behalf of justice. First, please permit me to address the facts underlying this conviction. The so-called victim picked up Anthony in a bar. She drove him to his barracks. She went into his room. She had sex with him. She kissed him goodbye, and she drove herself home. All of these facts are verified by the registered nurse who testified that all physical evidence was consistent with consensual sex, and verified by polygraph passed by Mr. Santucci. As a longtime criminal defense attorney, I assure you that there is a 95% probability that no civilian jury could have returned a guilty verdict under these circumstances. Second, I am greatly bothered, as you must be, at the disparity in sentencing. Far shorter sentences for far more serious crimes, such as rape of children, has to make each of us stop and reflect. Disparate justice is no justice at all. Third, the severity of this sentence is totally unrelated to the circumstances herein. All parties agree that this whole matter started with an older married woman picking up a young soldier in a bar and voluntarily going to his quarters. She walks out of his quarters with some passion marks, and he gets 20 years in prison. I respectfully submit that justice cries out today, and I add my voice to that chorus, pleading for you to correct this injustice. I pray that you will grant clemency, cutting this sentence to time served, and permit this young man to return to his family and to his life. In the alternative, I pray that you would grant immediate parole. In my long life and career as a warrior for justice, rarely have I seen a prosecution with a more unjust result. I respectfully pray that on this day, you will shine the bright light of justice into this dark dungeon of injustice.